Hello, welcome to my video. I'm Johnny. Today we are going to buff out some scratches from a turntable. I bought it at a second-hand store. It's a dual CS430. It's a belt drive turntable. Got it for about 45-50 bucks or something like that. So let's see what we can do. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but over here, some light scratches. It's not scratches really, it's some, I don't know, the blemishes. You see, against the black. I tried on this side, it works really great. Let me show you the products that I use. These come in a package like this, like 1, 2, 3 Novus fine scratch remover and heavy scratch remover, plastic clean and shine. So I try the fine scratch remover and let's see what it can do. Also I'm using some cotton, I don't know what you call this, with some cotton pillows. I use one for applying the stuff and one to buff out. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. Apply some. Gently apply it in a circular motion. You may have to do it 2 or 3 times maybe. I don't know, maybe you can see already the results, I'm not sure. Feels better. Try some more. I buff it till the resistance is not as much as it is when you start. It's smooth. That feels great. Here's the clean one. Hopefully you can see the improvement on camera as well. See those blemishes are gone, shining. Well, that's it actually. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.